Honestly, I can't remember where I was at on this thing. Let's get this 680 out of the way. Let's take back into this. So I know the cylinder is good. I know the piston's good. I can't remember. Anything else was good? Sprocket was good. Yeah, everything's good on this thing. Just gonna check ring end gap. Ring end gap. So it's push it up in there a little bit so she's square. Look at that ring end gap. It's actually fantastic. I'm going to measure it. Alright. Going there. Oh, there we go. So, there's the ring all square in the cylinder. Looking pretty tight. I'm going to measure that, see what we actually have here. I have a sneaking feeling that this thing is in such good shape. Okay, 6 fits. That it really doesn't need any freshening up. There's a 10. Fit, but it was really tight. So we're looking at 15 thousandths. I'm thinking saw's not even broke in yet. So Dell, if you're watching, your saw is actually in really good shape. Doesn't need a whole lot of anything other than I'm going to service this thing out, do a little work. I believe I've done I know I have. I've mapped this out and the porting's pretty good. Just needs to be cleaned up. Some of the rough castings out of there. And you get this all put back together. I think the biggest thing on your saw, Dell, is, wait for it, that tiny little hole in your muffler. This is an old school, old style muffler. I'm surprised to see this style on an MS260. I mean, this goes back to the O stuff. As a matter of fact, all the 026s that I sold when they first came out had a more modern muffler on it that had the side vent. Anyway, gonna open that up, let it breathe. Might put a little baffle in here so the exhaust just isn't going straight out the hole. That would just be awful sounding. But anyway, that's the biggest thing here. So day 2, monkeying around with this. I don't feel any different. I got to do some cleanup on this saw, and then I will get her put back together and work on. You know, I'll show you what I'm going to do here. Like I said, the numbers are really good. They didn't mess that up too bad. The biggest thing they messed up on performance-wise is the exhaust. And yeah, it's gonna be a great little saw when I'm done. It'll be clean. Ports will be cleaned up. Muffler will be opened up. We'll square that bar up, make sure the rails are straight on it. I believe this chain looks pretty fresh. Yeah, it's like a brand new chain, so I didn't have to do anything with that. Yeah, looks like a round ground chisel. I'll check the rakers, make sure that they're where they need to be. I noticed that you use a skip tooth on this little guy. I understand that because of the longer bar that you're running on it. The truth is this little saw here, its power to bar length 20 is actually, you know, probably your best length. I understand that the 24, you don't have to bend over as much. My back and I, we get that. So anyway, I'm rambling. I don't feel any different working on an MS260. So I'll keep you informed. We'll talk to you. Thanks. Bye.